You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary and names that too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different pronunciations for this word. As a noun, as an animal, it is said as dove. Dove. As a verb, this is the past tense of the verb to dive. It is said as dove. Dove as a verb, dove as a noun, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.